Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to be playing with this cake set. I don't know, cupcakes, and today we're going to be playing with this cake set. So let's get started. I enjoy every moment. Let's open it up. I love this set, so it looks really interesting. I don't know why it says Shopkins here, but anyways, I don't really care. Yeah, that was cool. And the top one. Come on, come on. I have played with this set before, but this was different, this was different, this was different, this was different. So it was different. So let's take it out. We get this Shopkin bag. We also get some fruits in a heart and stuff container. Some whipped cream, cupcake, sundae bowls, and really fragile drinks. I broke this one last time. I dropped it on the floor and it broke. So these are quite fragile. And because these are quite small. The camera's being pixelated. Okay, never mind. We have our basic supplies. So let's start off with the cupcake maybe. I'm gonna make the cupcake first in this pink bowl. Cream. And fill your bowl up. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Ben. Look at this, guys. It looks so cute. Let me add more fruits. You can totally give it to 1 to 6 scale dolls. For example, Barbies. Barbies can totally enjoy this cupcake. This is so fun, by the way. This teaser really helps. I added more. Okay, I'm gonna add this watermelon. Careful, careful. I've already added quite a few dragon fruits, so this cupcake doesn't need any more. Let's add an apple. Okay, I want a little pink. I found this weirdly pink lemon, which I added in. And let's add some sprinkles as well. Ta-da! Let's get a few. Okay, guys, this is a little over full cupcake. Whoa, guys, this is a little over full, and we're in love with sweets. And want to see unhealthy sides. Now let's make a quick little sundae. This doesn't hold its shape, so you can't really make swirls and things like that. I think this time fill it completely. I want to add a little topping. We hold it and make sure it doesn't drop. And think of some toppings. This time I'm gonna hold this and now add toppings. I have an idea. I just dropped a lot of sprinkle over it. And squish it. Okay. Well, guys, it's so cute. And we're done with this really colorful sundae. Okay, let's add one fruit. So what should we add? I'm trying to find a watermelon here. This is too big. We can barely see the watermelon between all these sprinkles. Thank you. I'm gonna save these other two for later on, so I don't stay bored the entire day. I don't want us to be bored, so we have leftovers, which I'll use more sprinkles. So I drop the whole thing on, drop the extras, and yeah. Now have a quick little mix to clean up. But guys, subscribe and share this with your friends.